Verifying your bank account on Lucidworks is an important step to ensure secure transactions. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Lucidworks platform by entering your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready to log in successfully. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Sesrook to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank account verification. In the account settings, look for the section dedicated to payment of bank account information. Click on the option for bank account verification to proceed. Step 4. Enter bank details. Fill in the required fields with your bank account information. This usually includes your account number, routing number, and any other necessary details. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review the information you entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the details for verification. You may receive a confirmation message or email once the process is complete. After following these steps, your bank account should be verified on Lucidworks. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.